Hey guys, it's Randy with Hanley Digital Consulting. We spoke with you the other day about a quick video on how to help bring more customers to your business with a better online presence. And in this video, there's going to be some really cool tips. And I just wanted you to keep in mind, even if you're not interested in my services, I'd really like to get your feedback. So I'm looking at your website and I noticed a couple things that we can work on to help bring more traffic to your website and obviously more revenue to your business. And there's 3 ways that we can do this. It's with content, backlinks, and citations. Content is what I'm referring to as words and images, so it's more information for your customers. We want around 1,500 to 2,000 words minimum on your homepage, and it gives us places to put higher search keywords, and it helps take away all the guesswork for Google. So Google likes images, so we want more images, and when we're saving our pictures, we want to make sure that we name it with the right keywords. So whenever I click on your pictures and I try to save it and I save your image, you just have it as a stock image. We want to make sure that we're saving it with the high volume keyword, whether it's ACM Repair in Shreveport Bossier. We want to make sure that we have the locations that we want to service behind those pictures, and we want to name all of our pictures the same way with different keywords. When it comes to the content, we want to have around 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. So we really need to ramp up the amount of content on your homepage so we can hide those extra keywords in there. And when we put those keywords in there, we want to bold them. So whether it's Brooks Heating and Air Conditioning, we want to make sure it's bolded, and then we want to have them linked to your service pages so that people can navigate between your homepage and all your service pages, and this will really help you guys too. So the second way is with backlinks and referring domains. It's basically anywhere one website refers to another website. So Google looks at this to see if the website is trustworthy or not. So the more trust Google has, the higher it'll rank your website. And what I can do is I can go to this tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs, and I can pull up your website, and I can see everything that's going on the back end of your website. So obviously you guys have a domain rating of 1.5 out of 100. You have 45,000 backlinks and 815 keywords, but you're only bringing in 221 views per month. So what we really need to focus on is making sure that we have the right backlinks, and not all backlinks are created equal. So if we go through here, we want to make sure that we have very high ranking backlinks, and a lot of these are just the same backlink over and over. It has a lot to do with COVID, so I don't know if that's really helping you guys at all. So we want to go through here and make sure that we have the right backlinks. And what we can do is we can go check out your competitors. For one, there's Advanced AC. We can go back here and check these out. These guys have 471 backlinks, and they have a higher domain rating than you guys. So obviously their backlinks are a little bit better than you. So we need to go in here and check out their backlinks and add them to the back end of your website. Another way that we can do this is checking out the organic keywords, and we can make sure that the keywords that you're using, you're ranking in. So you have 815 keywords. So air conditioner repair in Bossier City, it's got a volume of 200, and you're bringing in around 22, and your position is 3rd. So that's pretty good. We want to focus on these words that you're ranking in, and we need to get the right backlinks and referring domains that will correlate with those, and it'll help you rank and get more searches for those and more clicks for those keywords. And we'll just have to go through here and get the right keywords and focus on those. And the amount of volume that will go up, we can double or triple these searches for you, and this will really help you guys a lot with bringing in extra revenue. So if I pull up another competitor, it's Southern Air and Conditioning, and I can go check out the back end of their website, and they're getting around 774 organic traffic from their website, and it's because they have the right backlinks, and they have a domain rating of 28. So what we would do is we'd go in here and get the backlinks that they're using that are really helping them, and we would add those to your website. And same with the keywords. And the third way that we would do this is with citations. And citations are anywhere your business name and number appear on registries like Yelp and Yellow Pages. So the more we can get, the greater chance you have of getting into the top 3 of the Google Map Pack. And that's about where 70% of all searches come from. Is from the Google Map Pack. So if we can get you up there, the amount of volume that you would increase is pretty great. And again, if we can get you up here around 800 to, we would try to double this. So if we can get you around 1,400 searches a month, and let's say you can convert 10% of that. So that's around 140 different jobs that you could get just from a pretty small number of conversion rates. So again, we need to make sure that we increase our content and save our pictures the right way. We need to go after the right backlinks and referring domains, and then we need to go get more citations, and this will help your business and your website grow over the next couple months, and you'll start to see a lot more revenue coming from your website. So again, man, I appreciate you watching this video. If you guys have any questions, just give me a call, and I hope you guys have a good day. Thank you.